at 10 effective ways and tools for HIPAA compliant when working from home. In recent times, the concept of HIPAA compliance for remote workers has become more prevalent than ever before, transforming the way businesses operate across various industries. Healthcare, too, has embraced this paradigm shift, allowing medical professionals to offer their services remotely. However, the transition to working from home comes with its own set of challenges, especially concerning data security and privacy. HIPAA compliant tools to help you while working from home. Using HIPAA compliant tools while working from home is important as it ensures more security of HIPAA and flexibility within your team. Here are the top tools or gadgets that maintain HIPAA compliance for remote employees. Filled circle encryption software. Any sensitive patient data you send or receive is protected with the use of encryption software. There are innumerable software or platforms that help you encrypt patients' data or HIPAA, and some of them are BitLocker and File Vault. Filled circle encrypted headsets. It's crucial to secure audio communication among professionals and patients, and headsets with encryption are the best gadgets to use. It encrypts end-to-end communications related to patient data. Filled circle protect video conferencing. There are innumerable platforms available for HIPAA compliant video conferencing, and it's important to choose the platform where you can encrypt video conferencing. Platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, and Doxy.me are the ideal platforms for healthcare professionals attending virtual conferences. Filled circle use of secure messaging apps. It's critical to use secure messaging apps while sharing sensitive data of patients. Some of the popular platforms are Signal, Telegram, and WhatsApp. Filled circle virtual private network, VPN. A VPN enables safe remote access to the network of your company. This can assist in safeguarding patient data and guarantee that you are using a HIPAA compliant method to access the network. 10 effective ways for HIPAA compliant when working from home. In the healthcare sector, the protection of sensitive patient information is of paramount importance. To ensure patient privacy is upheld while working from home, adherence to the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, regulations is essential. In this article, we will explore the top 10 effective ways for healthcare professionals to remain HIPAA compliant when working from home. 1. Empower authorized access. Imagine a medieval fortress, protected by a loyal gatekeeper who only allows entry to trusted knights. Similarly, when working from home, it's crucial to limit access to protected health information, PHI, to authorized staff members only. Just as a moat keeps intruders at bay, limiting PHI access ensures that only those with a legitimate need for the information can access it. To accomplish this, maintain a record of employees with access to sensitive data and regularly review and update their access permissions. Emphasize the importance of confidentiality, and remind staff members of the ethical responsibility they hold in protecting patient data. 2. HIPAA compliant tools in the realm of communication. Tools. Not all are equal in protecting patient privacy. To ensure secure interactions between healthcare professionals and patients or fellow staff members, it is essential to choose the right HIPAA compliant platforms or tools. Avoid public-facing applications and social media platforms. as they are not designed to safeguard HIPAA. Instead, opt for technology specifically engineered to meet HIPAA standards. When selecting communication tools, consider not only the current situation, but also plan for the post-pandemic era when regulations are expected to be enforced rigorously. 3. Keep strong passwords. In the age of knights and chivalry, passwords act as impenetrable shields guarding a castle's entrance. In the digital realm, strong passwords are the first line of defense against unauthorized access to HIPAA. Encourage medical staff to use strong, unique passwords for all accounts and platforms. These passwords should be at least 8 characters long, incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Discourage the use of easily guessable information such as birth dates or names. A practical approach to password management is to implement a single sign-on solution tailored to the medical industry. This minimizes the need for staff to remember multiple complex passwords while ensuring secure access to necessary information. 4. Secure remote access. In the realm of remote work, knights embark on quests beyond the castle walls. Similarly, healthcare professionals need to access HIPAA from remote locations, necessitating secure remote access measures. For added security, implement two-factor authentication, 2FA, alongside strong passwords. This requires users to provide an additional piece of evidence, such as a one-time code sent to their mobile device, when logging in, bolstering the authentication process. Virtual private networks, VPNs, act as the virtual drawbridge, providing a secure pathway for accessing office computers and patient data remotely. When the workday concludes, ensure that all devices used for work are securely signed out, keeping the virtual moat intact. 5. Encryption. Locking data for safekeeping. Imagine a chest full of treasures protected by an enchanted lock that only those with the key can unlock. Encryption operates similarly, encoding data so that unauthorized users cannot decipher it. Healthcare professionals must implement encryption at every stage of HIPAA flow to ensure its safety. Encryption renders HIPAA indecipherable to unauthorized individuals, ensuring that even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable. From configuring wireless routers to handling patient data on work and personal devices, encryption acts as a powerful spell guard against data breaches. Healthcare providers and third-party service providers frequently transmit patient data via email, text messages, and other electronic means. Data encryption is vital in preventing unauthorized access to HIPAA during transmission and safeguarding patient privacy. 6. Stay updated. With the latest changes in the ever-changing landscape of the digital world, staying updated is akin to sharpening swords for battle. Regularly updating software and apps is a vital measure to uphold HIPAA compliance when working from home. By keeping systems up to date, healthcare professionals fortify their defense against potential cyber attacks and data breaches. Software updates often include security patches that address known vulnerabilities, bolstering the overall security posture. Ensure that all devices used to access patient information and communicate with staff and patients are up to date. This includes installing the latest software patches and security updates for both the device's operating system and any installed applications. If your organization has IT support, leverage their expertise to ensure that every device accessing the Network is properly configured, encrypted, password protected, and equipped with firewalls and antivirus software. 7. Streamline call management in the Kingdom of Healthcare. Effective call management is a royal decree. Handling patient information over the phone demands measures to protect patient privacy, but not all outsourced call centers grasp this concept. To ensure HIPAA compliance, rely on a HIPAA-compliant medical answering service to forward calls from the office to staff working from home. These specialized services prioritize incoming calls, enabling staff to efficiently handle patient requests. External medical answering services can triage patients over the phone, update information through the electronic medical records (EMR) system, schedule in-office appointments, or connect patients directly through preferred telemedicine platforms. This ensures seamless communication while upholding patient privacy. 8. Enforce security policies. Strong policies serve as a guiding light, illuminating the path to HIPAA compliance. However, the effectiveness of policies relies on their enforcement. Enforcing security policies is vital to prevent unauthorized changes to data that could compromise its accuracy or integrity. Procedural measures, such as background checks for employees and training on security policies, play a significant role in ensuring compliance. Make sure that all staff members working from home are well versed in your organization's information security policies. This includes proper storage and disposal of FI, as well as clear guidelines on sharing devices containing sensitive data. 2. Reinforce the importance of data security. Require employees to read and sign a clear Bring Your Own Device (BYOD) usage agreement and confidentiality policy. 9. Keep physical data with care. In an era dominated by digital technology, it's easy to forget the importance of physical document security. However, maintaining the same level of care for physical data is vital in the battle for HIPAA compliance for remote workers. Encourage employees to refrain from printing and storing hard copies of patient information in their home offices unless necessary. If physical documents containing sensitive information are created, ensure they are stored securely in dedicated storage spaces, kept under lock and key. Shredding paper documents before disposal ensures that any FI printed on them is irretrievable, further safeguarding patient privacy. Keep servers in secure locations, and employ badge readers to control access to restricted areas where sensitive data is stored. 10. Safely store FI in approved locations in the quest for HIPAA compliance. Imagine FI as a valuable artifact that must be stored safely within the castle's treasury. The policies and procedures regarding the storage of FI must be clear and diligently followed. To ensure the safe storage of FI, create a comprehensive map of approved locations within your organization. Educate staff on where data can be securely stored, as well as what actions constitute unauthorized data. Use outside the company network. Discourage the use of external hard drives, disks, flash drives, and private computer storage for storing FI. Emphasize that all FI should remain within the secure confines of company-approved systems. Conclusion: by following the above-mentioned tools and strategies, healthcare professionals can conquer the challenges of working from home while safeguarding patient privacy through HIPAA compliance. Just as knights defend the realm with valor and honor, Embrace your role as a guardian of patient data with diligence and dedication. By doing so, healthcare professionals can navigate the remote era with confidence, knowing that they have taken the necessary steps to uphold patient privacy and the principles of HIPAA compliance for remote workers.